In the ever-evolving landscape of technology, artificial intelligence has taken center stage, with ChatGPT-4 being one of the most advanced AI models currently available. Designed to comprehend and produce human-like text, ChatGPT's capabilities have been utilized in a myriad of ways, both for the betterment of society and, unfortunately, for illegal purposes. In this video, we will be highlighting 8 instances where people have misused ChatGPT for unlawful activities. It is crucial to understand that the intent of this video is purely educational, aiming to raise awareness about the potential misuse of AI technology. We must emphasize that the activities discussed are illegal and highly unethical. Engaging in any of these actions can lead to severe consequences, and we strongly discourage anyone from attempting to replicate them. Stay informed, be responsible, and let's work together to ensure the ethical use of AI in our digital world. Number 1. Malicious code and hacking scripts. ChatGPT, with its advanced language processing capabilities, has been exploited by cybercriminals to automate and refine the creation of these harmful digital tools. Imagine a scenario where a hacker gains access to sensitive data by cracking a secure password. With the assistance of ChatGPT, the hacker could craft intricate and adaptable hacking scripts designed to bypass even the most robust security measures. The AI's ability to learn and adapt makes it a valuable asset for those with ill intentions, as it can rapidly improve and evolve its hacking techniques. Moreover, the versatility of ChatGPT has been weaponized to create custom malware or viruses that can infiltrate systems with ease. The AI's capacity to understand and generate human-like text enables it to mimic legitimate communications, allowing malicious code to slip past unsuspecting users and security systems. Number 2. Online scams and sophisticated phishing. ChatGPT, with its uncanny ability to mimic human conversation, has unfortunately become an accomplice in the hands of fraudsters seeking to deceive and exploit unsuspecting victims. Imagine receiving an email that appears to be from your bank or a trusted service provider, urging you to update your account information. At first glance, the email seems genuine, but upon closer inspection, it's revealed to be a well-crafted phishing attempt. Fraudsters have leveraged ChatGPT's linguistic prowess to generate these convincing messages, making it increasingly difficult for users to differentiate between legitimate correspondence and malicious deception. With the aid of ChatGPT, scammers can also engage in real-time conversations with their targets, enhancing the believability of their deceitful schemes. They may pose as customer service representatives, tech support agents, or even friends and family members to extract sensitive information or coerce individuals into making payments. Number 3. Forbidden formulas, AI and illicit substance manufacturing. Delving into the darker recesses of human curiosity, we unearth the disturbing intersection of AI and illicit substance manufacturing. The power of ChatGPT-4, originally designed to facilitate meaningful conversations and provide valuable information, has been repurposed by some to fuel the creation of dangerous and illegal compounds. Picture a clandestine laboratory, hidden from view, where chemical concoctions are engineered to produce potent narcotics. In this unsettling scenario, ChatGPT-4 is enlisted as a co-conspirator, furnishing the chemist with a wealth of knowledge, information on chemical reactions, dosage calculations, and even methods to circumvent detection. The implications of ChatGPT's involvement in this illicit world are far-reaching and deeply concerning. As the AI-generated knowledge accelerates the production and distribution of harmful substances, the potential for addiction, overdose, and long-term health consequences intensifies. The ripple effect of these activities undermines the fabric of society and threatens the well-being of countless individuals. Number 4. The Great Digital Masquerade, AI-powered identity theft. Envision a skilled imposter, armed with the linguistic capabilities of ChatGPT, deftly impersonating an unsuspecting victim. With access to personal information, The imposter can seamlessly mimic the individual's speech patterns and mannerisms, making it virtually impossible to detect the charade. As the AI weaves its web of deceit, the victim remains oblivious, their identity slipping away into the hands of a criminal. The ramifications of AI-assisted identity theft are as numerous as they are devastating. Stolen identities can be used to access bank accounts, make unauthorized purchases, or even perpetrate further crimes in the victim's name. The emotional and financial toll on the individual can be overwhelming and long-lasting. Number 5. Twisting the truth. AI-driven disinformation campaigns. As we venture deeper into the complex world of AI misuse, we encounter the formidable weapon of disinformation campaigns. ChatGPT, initially created to enhance communication and provide valuable insights, has been weaponized to manipulate public opinion and undermine the very foundations of truth. Consider the potential for chaos when AI-generated narratives are carefully designed to sow discord and confusion among the masses. ChatGPT, with its keen understanding of human language, can craft persuasive and seemingly credible stories that spread like wildfire, infiltrating the collective consciousness and obscuring the line between fact and fiction. These AI-driven disinformation campaigns have far-reaching consequences that extend beyond the digital realm. They can destabilize political systems, incite social unrest, and erode public trust in institutions. By exploiting the power of ChatGPT to distort reality, nefarious actors can reshape the world to suit their own agendas. Number 6. The age of AI deception, generating fake news and misinformation. Imagine a world where it becomes increasingly challenging to discern fact from fiction. With ChatGPT at their disposal, malicious actors can fabricate stories tailored to provoke strong emotions, driving clicks, shares, and ultimately, division. As these AI-generated falsehoods propagate across social media and other platforms, they create a maelstrom of confusion, exacerbating existing tensions and polarizing communities. The insidious spread of fake news and misinformation can have dire consequences, from undermining public trust in science and medicine to influencing the outcomes of elections. By harnessing the power of ChatGPT to deceive, those with nefarious intent can manipulate perceptions and control the narrative to their advantage. Combating this AI-fueled misinformation crisis requires a multi-pronged approach. Promoting digital literacy and critical thinking skills is essential, as is fostering a culture of fact-checking and skepticism. Investing in the development of AI tools that can detect and counteract fake news is also crucial. Number 7. Cyber infiltration. AI-crafted advanced malware and spyware. Initially conceived to enrich human communication and understanding, this powerful AI has been co-opted by malicious entities to devise sophisticated cyber weapons that infiltrate and disrupt our digital lives. Picture a stealthy intruder leveraging ChatGPT's vast linguistic capabilities to craft malware that can seamlessly bypass security protocols and evade detection. This AI-generated cyber threat can disguise itself as seemingly innocuous software, only to unleash its destructive force once it infiltrates its target. Armed with ChatGPT, cybercriminals can concoct spyware that gathers sensitive data while remaining virtually undetectable. The fallout from AI-enhanced malware and spyware attacks is multifaceted and far-reaching, impacting individuals, businesses, and even governments. Stolen data, financial loss, and disrupted operations are just a few of the devastating consequences that can ensue. In a world where AI-generated threats are constantly evolving, staying one step ahead of cybercriminals is an increasingly daunting challenge. Number 8. Smuggling in the 21st century. AI-developed strategies for covert operations. As we delve further into the abyss of AI exploitation, we find ourselves in the midst of a high-stakes game of cat and mouse involving smuggling operations. ChatGPT, an AI marvel built to foster collaboration and knowledge exchange, has been repurposed by criminal networks to devise elaborate strategies that defy detection and circumvent the law. Visualize a world where smugglers employ ChatGPT-4's advanced language processing skills to develop intricate plans for transporting contraband across borders. The AI's ability to analyze and process vast amounts of information allows it to identify potential weak points in security measures and devise creative solutions to bypass them. From smuggling drugs to trafficking stolen goods or even endangered wildlife, ChatGPT's intelligence can be exploited to facilitate a wide range of illicit activities. In conclusion, this video has shed light on the darker side of AI, illustrating how powerful tools like ChatGPT can be exploited for nefarious purposes. While the potential of AI to revolutionize our lives is undeniably immense, it is crucial that we remain vigilant and aware of the potential risks that accompany its misuse. As technology continues to advance at a rapid pace, it is our collective responsibility to promote ethical AI development and usage, fostering a culture of security, accountability, and digital literacy. By staying informed and actively safeguarding our digital world, we can harness the power of AI to create a brighter, safer future for all. If you have made it this far, we really appreciate your support. Comment down below with the word 100% so we know that you watched the entire video. Now you need to watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. It will show you 8 things you must know to be safe in the new age of AI. Make sure to watch it now. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.